So I decided, what would I do if I was a consumer and I wanted to sell my house? So I've done a lot of investigation. I looked at iBuying. I looked at the discount brokers. What would happen? And what are the choices consumers have today? The other thing that's going on in our market is we know it's shifting. We're seeing some stabilization of prices, and we all know that most people who want to sell their house still think it's an exaggerated, overzealous market, and we're disappointing people. Matter of fact, we see people disappointed with full price offers. So how are you dealing with this market shift and how Wall Street is trying to come in and replace you? I'm doing a great seminar. It's called Prospering in a Shifting Market. Come join me on Thursday, September 26th at the Andover Inn from 10 to 12. There'll be a link here for you to sign up. Hope to see you.